Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to make 100 US dollars on YouTube as a small content creator. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. As I get close to my 2-year YouTube anniversary, I wanted to share this information and knowledge with you because YouTube has changed my life. Many people think that to make money on YouTube, they have to have a lot of followers or be as popular as Jake Paul or Mr. Beast, but this is not true. I was able to make a full-time living from YouTube when I only had 2,000 subscribers. This may seem like a lot to some of you, but in the world of YouTube, it's not that much for those of you looking for a side job or something to make some extra cash. So what do we plan to do? I use a value-based system to figure out how to make money. This isn't meant to be entertaining, instead it's meant to teach. So what does that mean exactly? Well, I heard Eric Thomas say, help 1 million people make $1 million. That is to say, you can get what you want if you help other people get what they want. The channels that make more money are the ones that help people solve problems. Believe me, there are people with 100,000, 200,000, or even 300,000 subscribers who don't make as much money as you think they do. You can make the digital download on Canva, or you can go to a site like Calendly or Acuity Scheduling. Make a link in your calendar and then put that link in the description box of every video. You might want to say in your videos, hey guys, if you want one-on-one help, check out the link in the description for free consultation. You can start with no subscribers because the products are digital and don't need to be shipped or sold, so you don't have to spend anything. I like this model because it's not a good idea to depend on AdSense to run your online business because AdSense changes. For example, if you have a video that has been watched 1,000 times and is available as a $20 digital download, you only need 5 people to buy it for you to make 100 US dollars. 5 people out of 1,000 is about 5% of the population, which isn't a big number. You can sell cheap things like those that cost $10 or $20, or you can sell expensive things like consulting with me. I usually charge $150 per hour. Which is a bit more, but all I have to do is sell one consultation per day to make $100 per day. And this is how I, as a small content creator, can make $100 a day on YouTube. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. So click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.